What's going on, B's and G's? Today we are going to solve with E and ln. So let's go ahead and do that. It's going to be pretty fun. All right. The reason why I say it's going to be pretty fun is because you already know how to do it. Isn't that insane? Solving with E and ln is just like solving any other thing, except you're going to use E and ln. What I mean by anything, it's like any other exponential or logarithmic equation. So you see e to the something, that means you got to log both sides. But instead of using the common log like we were before, which is log base 10, we're going to use the natural log. So we're going to take the natural log of both sides. So ln of e to the x plus 1 is equal to ln of 4. So just like y'all know, if you did your IRSL last week, ln of e is equal to 1. So what we can do is we can take the power property and we'll have x plus 1 on the outside, and then ln of e times ln of e, and then this is ln of 4. So ln of e, this is just 1. So we're just left with x plus 1 over here is equal to ln of 4. So now we just need to subtract 1. So we have x is equal to negative 1 plus ln of 4. And you might be asking, why did I write it like that? It's because sometimes it's confusing if people do like log or ln of a number like 4 and then minus 1. Some people think this is ln of 3, which it is not. So that's why I chose to write it the other way. Don't do this. All right, if you're going to do this, make sure you use parentheses around the 4. All right, so let's go ahead and look at a natural log example. All right, so here's one. We have ln of x squared minus 4 equals ln of 2x minus 1. So we see a log. We are going to exponentiate both sides. So we're going to have e as our base, because remember, this is log base e. You raise it to the power of the base. So e to the ln of x squared minus 4 is equal to e to the ln of 2x minus 1. So whenever you have e to the ln, that's another one of our inverse properties. So this is going to go away, and we're just going to have x squared minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 1. Now we have a quadratic. I know y'all love quadratics. Let's go ahead and solve this. So we have x squared minus 2x plus 1. That's going to be minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we factor x minus 3 and then times x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have x is equal to 3 and x is equal to negative 1. There's a reason why I chose this question, because let's go ahead and plug these back into our original equation. We have ln, this is for x equals 3. ln of 9 minus 4 is equal to ln of 2 times 3 minus 1. So this is 5, and then this also is 5. So we're good. What about negative 1? Let's go ahead and plug it in. So we have ln of negative 1 squared is 1 minus 4 is equal to ln of 2 times negative 1 minus 1. So these are both negative 3. So we're good, right? If you said that, yikers. Because the domain of this function is from 0 to infinity. So we can't plug in any negative numbers. Remember, the graph of this looks something like that. So if you plug in a negative number into that, you're actually going to get no solution. So negative 1 is an extraneous solution. So our answer is x is equal to 3. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. Have fun, good luck. This is going to be the last video we make this year for 2020. If you're watching this in 2020, then this is going to be the last video we make this year. If I don't see you, then I hope you have a great summer. Even though it kind of feels like we've been in summer for a while. I hope you have a great one. Hope to see you next year. Feel free to stop by. My door is always open for any of y'all. So yeah,